The B vitamin group is one of the most important families of nutrients for human health, particularly because of its powerful role in energy metabolism, nervous system function, and overall vitality. These vitamins, often found together in the same foods and supplements, are water-soluble and must be regularly replenished through diet since the body does not store them in significant amounts. While commonly grouped together, each B vitamin plays its own unique part in the body, and when consumed in sufficient amounts together, they work synergistically to support a wide range of metabolic processes. There are 8 officially recognized B vitamins: B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, B7 biotin, B9 folate or folic acid, and B12 cobalamin. Though numbers like B4, B8, B10, and B11 once referred to substances thought to be vitamins, they are no longer classified as essential vitamins today. Still, the core 8 remain indispensable to human health. Thiamine, or B1, is the first B vitamin discovered and plays a vital role in converting carbohydrates into energy. It's essential for glucose metabolism and is especially important for nerve, muscle, and heart function. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to fatigue, irritability, or, in severe cases, neurological issues such as beriberi. Whole grains, pork, legumes, and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of B1. Riboflavin, or B2, is a key player in energy production and helps the body break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It also supports the antioxidant function by helping to recycle glutathione, one of the body's most important internal antioxidants. People who consume enough riboflavin often report improved skin health and a reduction in migraines. Dairy products, eggs, lean meats, green leafy vegetables, and fortified cereals are all rich in B2. Niacin, or B3, is crucial for the proper function of the digestive system, skin, and nerves. It's also needed for converting food into usable energy at the cellular level, particularly through its role in the synthesis of NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a coenzyme involved in over 400 enzymatic reactions. Higher doses of niacin are sometimes used therapeutically to support cholesterol balance. Good sources include chicken, turkey, salmon, brown rice, and peanuts. Pantothenic acid, or B5, is less commonly discussed, but just as essential. It supports the formation of coenzyme A, which is involved in fatty acid metabolism and hormone synthesis. This vitamin also plays a role in red blood cell production and helps maintain a healthy digestive tract. Avocados, yogurt, eggs, and sweet potatoes are good sources of B5. Pyridoxine, or B6, is necessary for over 100 enzyme reactions, mostly related to protein metabolism. It's essential for neurotransmitter production, including serotonin and dopamine, and helps regulate mood and sleep. Inadequate B6 intake can contribute to depression, confusion, or weakened immunity. You can find B6 in chickpeas, bananas, fortified cereals, and poultry. Biotin, or B7, is often associated with hair, skin, and nail health, but its true importance lies in its role in metabolizing fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. It serves as a coenzyme in several metabolic pathways and is also crucial for embryonic development during pregnancy. Deficiencies are rare, but may occur in people with certain genetic conditions or those consuming raw egg whites over long periods. Eggs, almonds, spinach, and salmon are rich in biotin. Folate, or B9, is one of the most critical B vitamins for DNA synthesis and cell division. It is especially vital during pregnancy to prevent neural tube defects in the developing fetus. Folate also supports cardiovascular health by reducing homocysteine levels, a known risk factor for heart disease. Leafy green vegetables, legumes, citrus fruits, and liver are excellent sources. Many grain products are also fortified with folic acid, the synthetic form of folate, to help prevent widespread deficiencies. Cobalamin, or B12, is unique among the B vitamins because it is found almost exclusively in animal products and requires a specific protein, intrinsic factor, for absorption in the gut. It supports the nervous system, helps form red blood cells, and aids in DNA synthesis. A lack of B12 can lead to megaloblastic anemia and neurological issues like memory loss or numbness. It's particularly important for older adults and those on plant-based diets to monitor their B12 status. Top sources include meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and fortified plant-based milks or cereals. One of the most fascinating aspects of the B vitamins is how they work together as a team. Many metabolic pathways in the human body depend on more than one B vitamin acting as a cofactor. For example, in energy production from glucose, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid all play interconnected roles. If one is deficient, the whole chain of reactions slows down, leading to fatigue and inefficiency in energy use. This synergy is also why B-complex supplements, which include all 8 B vitamins, are often recommended for people experiencing chronic stress, fatigue, or cognitive fog. Stress increases the body's need for B vitamins, particularly B5 and B6, because these nutrients help produce stress hormones and neurotransmitters. For people with poor diets, heavy alcohol consumption, or absorption issues due to gut disorders, supplementation can be a practical solution. Nutritionally, a balanced diet rich in whole, minimally processed foods is the most effective way to ensure adequate B vitamin intake. This includes a wide variety of vegetables, whole grains, legumes, dairy, meats, fish, eggs, nuts, and seeds. For those on vegetarian or vegan diets, fortified foods and B12 supplementation are critical due to the lack of natural plant-based sources of cobalamin. It's worth noting that because B vitamins are water-soluble, they are not stored in large amounts in the body and excess amounts are usually excreted in the urine. This makes toxicity from food sources very rare. However, extremely high doses of certain B vitamins from supplements, such as niacin or B6, can cause side effects and should only be used under medical guidance. In conclusion, the B vitamin family plays a foundational role in nearly every aspect of human health, from energy metabolism and brain function to cell growth and cardiovascular protection. Their interconnected nature means that deficiencies in one can affect the function of others. Fortunately, these vitamins are abundant in a well-rounded diet and can be supported through supplements if necessary. Emphasizing diverse, nutrient-rich foods not only ensures a full spectrum of B vitamins, but also promotes long-term vitality, mental clarity, and resilience in the face of everyday stress.